I eat very healthy. So that is something that you should watch whatever you put into your body. That's for sure.
Do you really like makhana a lot? I heard one of the
Yeah, I love makhana. Somewhere actually on Instagram, it quoted me by saying that I invented makhana. No, I didn't invent makhana.
But you did say that.
Makhana
Invented makhana. You said you started the trend.
I was probably not thinking right. I meant to say that I started the trend in the industry. Nobody knew what makhana was, so I kind of introduced it. वो invented निकल गया मुंह से.
आपको खाना मखाना हमने मंगा रखा है.
Yeah, I don't mind, Leo. यार, I would love it. Please.